Hey everyone, this is Mr. Mott. What we're going to do is go over the procedure for our cat's Meow or color changing milk lab. We're going to start out, we have 3 different milks. You're going to have a petri dish, you're going to have some food coloring and toothpicks and maybe a soap or 2. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your petri dish and we're going to choose one of the milks and we're going to just pour in enough milk to cover the bottom. Okay, so we'll try to do that. Okay. Once you've done that, carefully walk over to your lab station. Okay, so what I'm doing now is I'm putting food coloring in towards the center of our milk. I put some blue, some yellow, here's some red. I'm going to try not to overlap them right now, but if they do overlap, it's not going to be a big deal. Okay. So what we're going to do now that we got our food coloring in there, we're going to see what happens if we take a toothpick and touch it towards the center. Okay, so we're going to try that. Okay, so I'm not going to do it for you because I don't want to ruin what happens. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to see what happens, and then what you're going to do is do a little experiment by taking the other end of the toothpick, dip it in one of your soaps. So we've got 2 different kinds of soap. We have some orange and then some red soap here. And so you'll dip the soap in. All you need is the tip of the toothpick in there. Then you'll touch the toothpick towards the center of your petri dish, just like you did before, and see what happens. Now, one of the cool things with your iPads is that you can record this. So what I'd like you to do is record both of those steps where you have touched the toothpick with no soap on it, and then touch the toothpick with the soap on it, and record what happens. Then what you can do is start to think about, why do you think what happened did happen, and how could you change your experiment a little bit to try to determine what is the cause of the cool reaction that happens. So you can start to think about your independent and your dependent variable. Independent variables are things that I change, and dependent variables react to that change. So for instance, we have 3 different kinds of milk, so you can think about maybe using other kinds of milk to see what happens. You can think about maybe varying the soap. Maybe the soap has an impact on what happens. And I think we have a little bit of hand sanitizer in the front of the room. You could try that if you wanted on the end of your toothpick. All right, thanks for watching.